Unveiling hackers, demystifying their tricks. Welcome to our educational journey into the world of hackers. Today, we dive into the minds of these digital trailblazers, exploring their techniques and motives. Uncover the truth behind their actions and understand why hacking remains a double-edged sword in the cyber universe. Hackers are more than cyber villains. They are skilled individuals with diverse intentions. From ethical hackers protecting systems to malicious ones disrupting networks, each has unique motivations. Understanding their backgrounds helps us grasp the complexity of the cyber threat landscape. Hackers employ a variety of tricks to infiltrate systems. Phishing scams deceive users into revealing sensitive information, while social engineering manipulates human behavior. Malware, another common tool, is designed to exploit system vulnerabilities. Recognizing these methods is crucial for enhancing our digital defenses. Safeguard your digital world by implementing strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Regular software updates and awareness of suspicious emails can thwart hacker attempts. Staying informed about cybersecurity trends empowers you to protect your data and maintain security. Not all hackers are sinister. Ethical hackers, or white hats, conduct security assessments to strengthen systems. This segment highlights the significance of ethical hacking and invites a broader discussion on the ethical boundaries within cybersecurity practices. Understanding this distinction is key to appreciating the positive aspects of hacking. To protect yourself, stay alert and informed. Invest in reputable antivirus software and regularly back up your data. Awareness is your best defense against cyber threats. By adopting these proactive strategies, you can significantly reduce vulnerabilities and enjoy a safer digital experience. Thanks for joining us on this insightful exploration of hackers and their tricks. Arm yourself with knowledge and vigilance to navigate the web safely. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Stay informed, safeguard your digital realm, and join us in our mission to enhance cybersecurity.